Affiliate marketing for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how my client Dave King managed to make over 20K per month. And before he was working with me, he was struggling for over 14 years, only making about 3 grand within that 14-year time period before he managed to break through those barriers and start making money online. So before I kind of get into how he done that, my name's Andy Mattis. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how to make money online so that you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. So as I was just saying, Dave King was really sort of struggling for over 14 years online. You name it, he's tried it. Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, Shopify, you name it. He was trying all of these different business models and only managed to make around 3 grand within the space of around 14 years before he started working with me. So when Dave King started working with me, I made sure that he had a strong foundation in place. We really went back to basics, set up his fundamentals and really structured his business in a way that he could understand it. So with those fundamentals in place, Dave King was able to start making affiliate commissions in my affiliate program consistently each month for his business. But one thing that I've always taught my students is that if they wanted to break off and do their own thing, I wanted them to have the right skills to be able to do that, because you see a lot of affiliate programs out there which will only teach you how to promote their thing. And if you try and break off, then you're really going to be stuck. You're really going to be sort of left wondering what it is that you needed to do. But I didn't want my program to be like that. I wanted my students to be able to basically start their own programs if that's something that they wanted to do. And that's exactly what Dave King started to do after a few months of being in my program. He saw that things are working and he saw the potential of starting his own affiliate program. So that's exactly what he did. He started up a business called the Affiliate Marketing BizOps. So just as a bit of social proof, I'm going to put up on the screen some of the affiliate commissions that Dave King was making, or a few things that he said about the program whilst he was in it. So if you have a look here and have a look here, you can see some of the feedback that Dave King was giving about the program as he was making affiliate commissions. So with Dave King making affiliate commissions in my program and being able to start up the Affiliate Marketing BizOps after his confidence really grew, that he understood exactly what it was that he needed to do in order to get to where he wanted, he was obviously able to quit his job and go full-time with this business model, which made a huge difference for his, himself and his family. So it wasn't long before Dave King started selling his own students into his program, and then he simply just sort of followed the business model which I taught him and able to make, for his students to start duplicating his results too. And he started to have some amazing case studies of his own students duplicating his results, and he managed to actually scale that business to over 20K per month. So if any of you want more information on exactly how Dave King was able to do this, I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training I put together on my Ollie framework, which can help you start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.